Hello everyone, kumusta? My name is Isa Castro and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do another review of a product that I have tried and tested for the past couple of months now, and this is the Nuwhite S-Acetyl Glutathione. So if you're interested about glutathione, just keep on watching. So, why am I taking glutathione? Dahil ba gusto kong pumuti? Yes, that's one of the reason. I think karamihan naman yata sa atin is yun yung hinahanap natin na effect, 'di ba? Sa pagtitake ng gluta is yung whitening effect nito. But aside from that, ang main reason ko actually is I have polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS, and nireseta siya sa akin ng aking OB-GYN to take one because pag-take ng gluta is nami-minimize niya yung symptoms ng PCOS. PCOS, you can Google it. It's a condition, or no, not really a condition, pero symptoms siya na nangyayari sa ilan sa mga kababaihan. Aside from those, maraming benefits ang pag-take ng gluta, and with this Nuwhite, it has marami siyang claims na benefits daw. Most of those are, it slows down the aging process. This is from the Nuwhite website pala, itong binabasa ko. Another one is it strengthens the immune system. It detoxifies and protects the liver and cells. It reduces the effects of stress, so that's good. It improves quality of sleep, improves mental focus and clarity, increases energy, and of course, yung gusto natin is it whitens skin and gives a healthy glow. So, yun yung claims ni Nuwhite. By the way, where did I buy this? I bought this from Lazada. Make sure lang na yung binibilhan natin is a reputable seller, especially if what you're buying are supplements or vitamins, something that you take inside your body. So, mostly ang aking hinahanap are the reviews para makita natin kung reputable again yung seller or authentic yung mga products na binibili nila. I will add the link sa description box below kung saan ko siya nabili. Ano din siya, mas mura siya compared sa ibang sellers, and lagi din siyang nagsisale. So, inabangan ko yung nung bumili ako nung second to my fourth bottle, binili ko siya nung 11/11 and 12/12 sale. So, mas nakamura ako. Now, I don't remember the price. I think nasa nasa 1,100. Kasi yung iba is nasa mga 1,300, 1,500. Ang regular SRP niya yata is 1,500 or 1,700 pa nga. Is this FDA approved? Yes, it is FDA approved. So, I can assure you na safe siyang i-take, except for those, of course, for those who have allergic reactions sa mga ingredients nito. So, you still want to check its ingredients if you are allergic to some of it. So, now let's proceed with the product review. So, paano ko ba siya tinitake? Tinitake ko siya once a day, of course, with vitamin C. Nung una, for the first 1 to 2 weeks, tinitake ko siya pagkagising ko sa gabi. Because I'm working night shift and tulog ako sa araw. So, pagkagising ko with an empty stomach, I take it with vitamin C kasi sabi nila mas maganda daw i-take ang glutathione pag walang laman ang sikmura mo to again boost the effect. So, yun yung ginagawa ko nung una. However, napansin ko kasi dati hindi naman ako antukin sa trabaho. So, kahit na panggabi ako, hindi naman ako madalas inaantok. Kaya lang, nung nag-start akong i-take tong glutathione na to, lagi akong inaantok talaga. And ang sabi kasi, it increases your energy, sabi. So, hindi ko alam, hindi ko siya napansin. Ang napansin ko lang, naging masyado akong antukin. So what I did was, pinalitan ko yung oras ng pag-take ko. So instead of taking it right after I wake up, tinitake ko na siya around mga 2 to 3 hours before I sleep. And it's a good decision kasi mula nung tinitake ko na siya bago ako matulog, nakakatulog na ako ng mahimbing. For those who are working night shift, we know na sobrang hirap matulog sa araw. Iba talaga yung quality ng tulog sa araw at gabi. Ang laki ng difference. So, 'di ba, pag natutulog ako sa araw, konting kaluskos or konting ingay lang, nagigising na ako, and then nahihirapan na akong bumalik sa pagtulog. Kaya lang nung tinitake ko na tong gluta bago ako matulog, mahimbing na yung paggising, mahimbing na yung pagtulog ko. So that was good. And since mahimbing yung pagtulog mo, maganda rin yung gising. So, na-re-energize ako, maganda yung aura ko paggising. And kaya tinuloy-tuloy ko siya for the next couple of months. And nung mga second month until 4th month, dun ko na napansin yung changes sa skin ko. Kasi for your first month or for the first month that I was taking it, wala pa akong nakikitang masyadong effect or significant effect sa skin tone ko. However, I can say na nag-glow yung skin, especially if you go under the sun. Parang, may glow sa skin mo. Pero yung like, kung pumuti ba, hindi masyado. Kaya lang nung mga second, again, nung 3rd, 4th month, yun, napapansin ko na naglalighten na, especially mga dark spots ko sa tuhod. At ito lang, nung January 1st, nag-beach kami. Tapos napansin ko nung nire-review ko yung mga photos, napansin ko yung changes talaga sa skin compared before. So, masasabi ko na naglighten yung skin tone ko, at sabi rin ng aking husband is parang pumuputi nga daw ako. And, mapapansin mo naman when sometimes when I look into the mirror, parang, uy, may glow. Parang ganun ba? Yung feeling mo ang ganda-ganda mo. Di ba? May mga ganong moments. So, yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. So, tinuloy-tuloy ko siya. And, ito na yung pang 4th bottle ko. I don't know yet kung maghahanap ako ng ibang brand. Kasi, para sa akin, medyo pricey pa siya So, titingin ako ng ibang brand siguro na mas mura that has the same effect. I don't know yet. Mag-research pa ako. But that's mainly what you're looking for if you're looking into whitening or lightening your skin, aside from the other benefits that it claims. Yes, I do recommend it kasi for me, naging effective siya. But again, just remember that we have different bodies, so yung effect sa akin might be different to you, might have worked for me or worked for you, pero siguro sa iba hindi. So, yun lang ang tatandaan natin, hindi pare-pareho ang effect nito sa tao. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Sana nagustuhan ninyo itong video na to. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you again next time. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye!